Huizhou Yutuo Technology Company Limited is a company specializing in the production, processing, and sales of electric products. We were established in 2015. We are selling different kinds of power tools and accessories, such as electric drills, electric hammers, electric angle grinders, batteries, hardware tool accessories. The company has a complete and scientific quality management system. Through the introduction of modern equipment, advanced technology, and standardized management, we can produce high-quality products. Through modern testing equipment, our product quality has a strict control system to ensure that every product obtained by customers can meet their satisfaction. We have a mature logistics and service system, including order placement, inventory check, purchase, production, packaging, testing, transportation, and after-sales service, which can all be tracked on the computer and service team. It is our corporate goal to allow every customer to use high-quality, cost-effective products. We can provide you with services. 1. As long as you have questions that need to be answered, you are welcome to send us messages anytime, anywhere, and you will get feedback in a short time. 2. We have a team of professional and experienced engineers and can carry out custom designs so that our customers have their own unique products in the market. 3. According to your target market, we can provide unique packaging design. Customer satisfaction is our biggest goal. Hope we can have win-win cooperation in the future.